Good morning, children. Today we will discuss on our 10th class first unit C reading lesson. I will do it. What do you understand by this title?
Ma'am, I think strong will.
Good. If we have strong will, we can achieve the goal. Where there is a will, there is a way. This is an inspiration story of an important person. He proved that higher education is not the main criteria for achievement. Let's go through his life history. He was short, he was sharp, he was the brightest boy in his class. His seniors used to ask him to solve their difficulties in science. He could have gone unnoticed in a crowd, but once you asked him a question related to physics or maths, there was a spark in his eyes. He could grasp theories of science faster than the speed of light. Let's go through let's go through the questions in this paragraph. Why did he unnoticed in a crowd?
Ma'am, I will tell the answer. Because he was short.
Very good. Then yourself. In which subjects he was perfect?
Ma'am, I will say
Come on, tell me.
physics and maths.
Very good. What was his appearance? Yourself.
He was short but the brightest boy in his class.
Okay, well. What is the opposite word of short?
Tall,
What is the opposite of sharp?
blunt,
Very good. What is the opposite word of brightest?
dimmest.
Very good. When do we see spark in anybody's eyes?
Ma'am, I will say
Yes. Say.
if he knows the answer.
Good. He came from a poor but educated family. His father was a high school teacher and an avid reader of English literature. He, like all the boys in the class, was trying to get admission into some engineering college. The brighter ones wanted to study in the Indian Institute of Technology or the IITs. Let me ask some questions. What about his family?
Poor but educated family, ma'am.
Very good. What is the opposite word of educated?
Ma'am, uneducated.
Super. What was his father?
Ma'am, I'll say high school teacher and avid reader of English literature.
Very good. What was the desire of the bright ones?
Ma'am, I'll say please to study in the IIT.
Good answer. What is the full form of IIT?
Indian Institutes of Technology.
Correct answer. There was an entrance test for IIT. This boy, along with his friends, applied to appear for the test. They didn't have any special books or coaching. All these IIT aspirants would sit below the shade of a stone mandap close to Chamundi Hills in the sleepy towns of Mysore. He was the guide for the others. While the others struggled to solve the problems in the question paper, he would smile shyly and solve them in no time. He sat alone below a tree and dreamt of studying at IIT. It was the ultimate aim for any bright boy at that age, as it still is today. He was then only 16 years old. Now let me answer some questions. How did they prepare for the entrance test?
Answer. They sit below the shade of a stone mandap close to Chamundeswari hills and he guided the others.
How old was he then?
16.
Where did he write entrance test?
Bangalore.
What is the opposite word of never?
Hour.
The D-Day came. D-Day means the particular day. He came to Bangalore, stayed with some relatives and appeared for the entrance test. He did very well but would only say okay when asked. It was the opposite when he came to food. When he said okay, it implied bad. When he said good, it implied okay. When he said excellent, it implied good. His principle was never to hurt anyone. Where did he write the IIT entrance test?
At Bangalore.
How did he write the exam?
Very good.
What was his principle?
His principle was never to hurt anyone.